Hello, and welcome to Words for Wednesday. I am Pastor Cindy from Panther Springs United Methodist Church. Since this Sunday is what is commonly referred to as Ascension Sunday, I thought we would take a look at one of the ancient hymns of Ascension that we will be singing this week in worship. Hail the Day That Sees Him Rise was written by Charles Wesley and was published in 1739 in Hymns and Sacred Poems under the title Hymns for Ascension Day. The original poem comprised 10 stanzas, of which the first, the second, the fourth in a highly altered state, and the fifth are the ones that are preserved in our United Methodist hymnal. The first addresses the day of Jesus' ascension. It says, "Hail the day that sees him rise to his throne above the skies." And the second, the gates of heaven which accept Christ in glory, which says, "There the glorious triumph waits. Lift your heads, eternal gates." The third stanza emphasizes the true humanity of Jesus and his continued investment in the lives of those on earth in comparison to his heavenly inheritance. The final stanza presents Christ as the continuous intercessor for humankind, imploring his assistance in the efforts of all who follow him in the ascent to the presence of God, leading finally to the vision and eternal union with God. So let's listen to this ancient hymn about such an important day, the day that Jesus takes his rightful place at the right hand of God. as we celebrate Jesus' ascension this Sunday, we will sing this song, being reminded that Jesus now reigns from the heavenly realms while still present with us in the earthly realm. He is both our seen and unseen King. And so this week we remember and we recognize and hail King Jesus.